Claim. Okay, I got more spray. Okay, I got more boosters.
I'm begging you.
What is up, Location Fans? It's your boy, Natsert, and we're playing Subway Surfers with a new map called Venice. So let's go and claim reward. Okay, get the key. Alright. Oh, I got mail. Okay. Alright, claim. Okay. Alright. Okay then. Oh, I got more head start. So let's go and play. Do that. Okay, I only have one. I didn't notice because I was number blind. Okay, I got the shoes. Wait, why there's wait? Whoa, the place is crazy. Up. I'm so close to jump. Okay. Up. I'm really close. Oh, the ice cream is the token. Oh gosh, did Rod just get the ice cream from Venice? Oh, S. Oh, there's a token. There's a token. Oh yes, I can get it. And I missed the magnet because the token is there. OP. Okay. It's too much OP. Okay, the I. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, there's the K. Yes. Okay. Now we need to find the E. Oh, there it is. Word hunt complete. Okay. Whoa, so close. Okay. Hoverboard. Okay, I have 6, so that's good. Okay, there's the token, so that's good too. Oh yes. Okay. Okay. Alright, the shoes. Oh, the stars. Okay, the token. Okay. We need to do something so I can do everything. Okay, the star, and that's so close. Okay. Alright, alright. Okay, another one. Oh, the mystery box. Okay. Because the token is on the jump. But it's okay though, because we make it. Okay. Alright. Claim reward. Claim that. Okay, I got more coins. Do that. Okay. Okay, so close. Okay, there's the magnet, so that's good. Oh yes, the token. Okay, that was convenient. Oh, I missed 1 coin. Okay, another one. Let me do the hoverboard. Okay. What the heck? Twice? Come on. Oh yes, go up. Okay, the shoes. Okay. Okay. The star and the token, that's good. Oh, I have 20 times, that's good. Okay, the magnet again. I still cannot do anything. Okay, the shoes. Oh, you need to jump very far. Do that. Up. Come on. Oh, because it's only more seconds. Okay. Okay, the mystery box. Okay, Okay, the token.
Rather impressive.
There's the roller wheel. I don't know what that's called. But there's the roller coaster. Okay, the shoes. We have to do something, man. We have to. Okay, go up. Magnet. Oh, there's the token. And there's the another magnet. Okay, that's so close. Okay, really close. Magnet again. I don't know why. Again. Oh yes, there it is. Wow, so close. So, oof. Because I know I'm wasting time in this game. Okay, I got one head start. Oh, I'm gonna get 2. Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, the magnet, so that's good. Oh, there's the token. Okay. Okay, the jetpack. Okay. We need to do everything. Okay, the shoes and I can get it. Okay, so close.
That was so close!
Alright. The game just glitched, but I'm so close. Oh, there's the shoes. Okay. Alright. Okay, I got the mystery box. And I didn't go up because I didn't notice. Oh, another one. Whoa. I can't breathe because I can't walk away.
I can't walk away!
Okay. Oh, I can't get it still. Oh. They added a playground in this place. Okay, that's so close. Really close. So jump. Okay. Whoa, okay. Oh, yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. There's coffee.
I'll make a cup of coffee.
Okay, there's weight again. Whoa! Oh, okay. I need to do something so I will be good. And I got more star. Okay, the shoes. Okay, the token is there. Okay, another shoes. I don't think we're good because I'm doing anything by myself. And there's the jetpack, so I got it. Okay, they add the pool. Okay, the star, so that's good. Up. Okay. Okay, the token. Do that. Okay, the star. Up. I'm really close. Come on. I'm really close, I swear. Okay.
What did he get?
The key.
Oh!
Oh, there's the magnet. Okay, the token. Oh, there's the star, so that's good. The star. We still need to do everything. Okay, another one. Okay, the token. Do that. Oh, I have 3 because I wasted. The magnet disappeared. Okay, the mystery box. Okay, the star. Okay, the token. That's good. Okay, the jetpack. Okay, we're going to the rocket ship. And not anymore. Okay, the key. Okay, the token. Okay. Okay, I got the magnet. Oh! Oh! I didn't notice. Okay. Claim. Okay, I got more spray. Okay, I got more boosters. Alright, so let me know if I need to do part 2. So, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy. Give a thumbs up. If you want to see more, then let me know in the comments if you want to. Alright, so thank you for watching and peace out. Location on my videos.
Ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're close up, give me the shivers.